What's going on, guys? This is TaibaHasaKicks.com, and today we have Bang. This is DrTulz leather and vinyl recoloring balm. So I got this from the company and I wanted to test this out today. So basically, if you have any chair that's like cracking, is made of like black leather, a jacket, a seat, anything with leather. So if and it's cracking and you actually like the product and you wanna fix it, this is probably what you need here. So we're gonna test this out. So first we need to know the instructions real quick. So it's pretty easy. Step one, you just have to make sure you clean the surface of the leather. And step two, you have to wear gloves because this is chemical stuff. You want to make sure you don't get your hands tainted. Or you don't want to intoxicate yourself. Step three, use a sponge to like wipe it down. And after that, you have a buffer. So first, let's see what's in there. Again, this is for black leather and it's 75 milliliter. So let's see inside the box what we have real quick. So first, we have the balm. This is it here, all right? And then next we have gloves. The gloves, bingo. Then we have a buffer, that little buffer here, okay? This is, you can stick your hand in. Oh, this is pretty cool. And you just use it to, oh, wow. And then you have a sponge. The sponge is used to like, once you finish putting the stuff on your leather that's cracking, this is what you use. And then we have a brush. And the brush here is to dip it in. So I'm gonna use it on my belt and we're gonna see if this holds out. Now this again, this is, I'm ashamed to say, imitation leather. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but we'll see, all right? So my belt is, I've had this belt for a while, so I wanna test it. So the ending of this belt is like cracking. See, this is all broken. Now this is not real leather, so we're gonna see if this works on this. If it doesn't work, that's fine, because this is not actual leather. So if it doesn't work, it's not because the product does not work, it's because my leather belt is not actual leather. So we're gonna see that. So give me one second. Right. As you can see, I have my gloves on, right? Gloves on, safety. So, and this is the belt. So now this is the balm. So I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna open it with a knife. So let me use that. I have one hand filming and I have one hand doing this. So give me 1 second. I'll open this up. Now this smells really strong. It smells a lot. The smell is really strong. It smells like glue. So now you're gonna dip the brush in, right? And then we're gonna put it on. By the way, I cleaned the leather first. You have to make sure you clean it and let it sit for like 10 minutes. If you have like a big surface, now this is just a little belt. So that's why I didn't do that too much. So after that, you dip this in, right? And then you're gonna put it, this is what I wanna repair. So I'm gonna put this here, right? I'm gonna put it in. Make sure you do that. All right, let's do that again. Let's do that. And then I'm gonna put a little more. I wanna make sure this goes right into the cracks, man. Let's see. Let's put a little more here. I wanna put as much as I can, man. Just a small little belt, so it don't hurt to put a lot. And then after that, I'm gonna take the sponge and I'm gonna make sure a circular motion. I stir this like this, and it's a circular motion that you have to make sure you go into a circular motion, all right? So do this in a circular motion, and then let it sit for 10 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and see the result. So here we are, I applied actually 2 layers. And then you have to wait more than just 10 minutes because it doesn't dry quick. So now I'm gonna buffer my belt. So let's use the buffer now. So you have to stick your hand in here, and I'm gonna place it and I'm gonna use this to buffer that, all right? So you go very easy. And here, voila, there it is. Now the cracks are still a little there, but they're a little, they're like covered, okay? You can see that I filled them in, and it looks better than it looked before. I'll show a picture in this video so you can see the difference between what I have now and what I had then. So now, here's my suggestion. You have to apply a little more of this in here. You have to fill it a little more if you want the crack to completely disappear. But it looks better than it looked before, even though this is fake leather. This is like imitation leather. So do I recommend this product? Absolutely. Absolutely, especially if you use it on like a bigger surface. Now this belt is not the best. I guess I'll say this wasn't the best thing to use for this product, because if you use it on a seat or anything that has a bigger surface, like any bigger thing like a seat or a jacket, it will look much better. But it did the job, and this is again fake leather. So thanks to DrTulz. If you want this, I will have a link for you in the description. Again, thanks for watching. This is Ty from Master Kicks, and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.